Hello and welcome to the tutorial of CNC programming in NXCAM. Process in making a CNC program involves computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing and post-processes. In NX, a 3D model is plotted according to the drawing, and then in a manufacturing module of NX, we can make the desired CNC program. Once the program is made, it is then post-processed according to the various types of controller available in the market. The various types of controller include Siemens, Fanuc, Mazak, Mitsubishi, Haas, Head and Hen. A CNC machine is classified mainly into its four types. First, vertical machining center, horizontal machining center, CNC turning center, and CNC turn mill center. We will discuss about them in brief. Okay, so as you can see in the video, this is a CNC turning center. Spindle is rotating the workpiece and you can see the machining is done. Also, let's discuss about various coordinate system. So first is the machine coordinate system. Machine coordinate system is fixed by the machine manufacturer and it cannot be changed. Work coordinate system. It is set manually. All programming dimensions are taken from WCS when a CNC program is made for a component. It is usually set at a workpiece front face. So similarly, there is a MCS for vertical machining center also, as you can see in figure. In VMC machine, there are three axes, X, Y and Z, as you can see in video. Z axis in VMC is for tool, workpiece is held on a table, and X and Y axis are for the motion of the table, as you can see in the video. Horizontal machining occurs on a horizontal machining center, which employs a spindle that is parallel to the ground floor. With a horizontally oriented spindle, tool sticks out of the slide of the tool holder and cut across the side of a workpiece, encouraging chips to fall away from the table. We also have CNC turning and milling center, or you can say TMC. It's a combination of CNC turning and CNC VMC. It can perform both type of operation like turning, facing, grooving, and also a part of operation of milling machine. It's a combination of two types of CNC machine. You can see in this video, first the turning operations are carried out, and then using a tool, milling operations are carried out using end mills.